Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to find the value of a square plus b square if we have been given a plus b equals to a over b plus b over a. To get a full understanding of this topic, please watch this video till the very end for additional practice problems. So let's get started with our solution. And here I have wrote down this part in our question right up here. And now we are going to simplify these two fractions. We're going to add these two fractions on the right hand side by a crisscross method, by the cross multiplication. Let me show you how we are going to do this one. So let's go ahead and get started with that one. So this on the right hand side, this is cross multiply, means a times a is going to become a square. Then put down this plus sign right up here and then cross multiply the other way around. B times b is going to become b square divided by this b and a, the denominators, multiply them out. This become ba. And on the left hand side we got a plus b. So far so good. And now since we have the fraction on the right hand side, we can make the fraction on the left hand side as well by just putting 1 underneath. And in the next step we are going to take care of these two fractions by using the cross multiplication. That means I can multiply this way and I can multiply that way. Let's go ahead and do that one. If we multiply this part, a plus b times ba, this is going to become ab times a plus b equals to 1 times this is going to become 1 times a square plus b square. Now let's go ahead and distribute these one. That is simply is going to become a square b plus ab square equal to this. When you multiply this thing, that's going to simply give us a square plus b square. Now in the next step we are going to move this a square and b square on the left hand side. So we're going to end up with a square b, and if I move this a square on this one, that is going to become negative a square and then plus ab square. And then if I move this b square on the other side, become negative b square. So once again, this a square b is right here and ab square right up here. And these a square, when you move it on this side, become negative a square and this become negative b square. And simply we ended up with 0 on the right hand side. And in the first pair, as you can see, we can factor out a square. So I can write down a square times b minus 1. And likewise in the second pair right up here, we can factor out b square plus b square over here and then times a minus 1 equal to 0. And now let's focus on this equation that we finally got. All right, we're going to take care of this one. Let me move this one a little bit up. And we know that a and b are positive integers. That means a square cannot be equal to 0 and b square cannot be equal to 0. So this a square can't be equal to 0 and b square cannot be equal to 0. That means this b minus a will be equal to 0 and a minus 1 equal to 0 to get a 0 on the right hand side. And here I wrote down b minus 1 equal to 0 and a minus 1 equal to 0. If b minus 1 equal to 0, that means b equals to 1. And here a minus 1 equal to 0 means a equals to 1. That means we got a equals to 1 value and b equals to 1 as well. And now since we are going to find a square plus b square equal to what value, that means I can write a square plus b square, and a square plus a square, a is 1, you put down square, plus b has a 1 value as we figured out square, that is going to give us 1 square is 1 plus 1 equals to give you 2. So thus a square plus b square turns out to be 2, and that is our answer. And here is your assignment. Can you do this problem on your own? You can take your time. Luckily, I have already uploaded this video as well. Please go ahead and check it out and see the correct answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.